Awusiafo we bia akwa abashonko e de ba Penax TV so na update aba be ka yensa ye be hwetwe ho nkomo enye fufuro bia se ye na senya arehosema isi ye wo Ghana on the 12th of November 2020 ye papa Jerry John Rawlings and new way achi no insem bebre na eba ena baby ba ma ho de ena baby o se ke ye fly ni figa na hanko ni pe bi edi9 no bibi ni ade insem ne do so na me no ka say de manase ma se nyini nim so no so ye journalist for some time now no or trendy ye ewo Ghana ha titru pa ni so fo wusu bempa na nsia no beka fa ne ho se abrante na adwo so no bedi na tem bi obegine bi obeka bi afa no so be ma ne e former president ye papa JDM na manase de foforo aba beboma ni nyina efa former president Jerry John Rawlings ni wo ho o kiremu a in fact another dan kwakufu ado papa no onyenyenyenyenyenye wa ya no de say papa yi wuye no okeke kan ani ma ban busua na so ye bi o papa na so ye na dan fo so papa ne nye manase etre mananka hukura be hia say former president Jerry John Rawlings ye be fly no Africa na ha akwakwaje ayahwe because e man pedi ono emi bi du ye na ne hododo no e hwa no full plane aya so okoye bibi obo akwakwaje ne ho yawe e no kwaje ayahwe cramp no ochemu kra na ka wo say former president Jerry John Rawlings no o sign so kwaje ayahwe efiri ye 37 military hospital soldiers for hospital yi na so ko obi ko ho ama former president anko ho mede ne ko ye ko lebuma ene wafa ho atona na won say do kasa no ni buo for sigana for we ebisa question yen bisa nsem na ye mampani embra be insemia no na ewa ho so abet eye manase ma se ne nsem okay wait ono so ne obeka afa na otimi nka be mo wakwa aba
minu aba metusu
manase baba be kasa na say so for wusu be twa na so still no say atebdidie no enya ade obefinti no ye be koso ba nsa na be koso busiafo yen hwe eye manase nsem odi tudwa na yen tie ne nsem odi tudwa na ne buafu a wo kasa in fact ka ye president jina ne nchen kra hwan koto ne sa ebe kan yen tie ne no mu nsem
Satana presidential jet na way. Wallace was admitted at the Kolebu hospital for how many days? The angels want to know. Say Papa J, you admitting our Kolebu for how many days? Now you flying yana and I found out of the country. Nanado, or who Kolebu. Ghanaians want to know. The angels want to know. Send another the president of the republic, who is the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Or who Kolebu. Maybe so. 37 military hospital. Be quiet. I was 37. So when you see the Papa J, and will be 7 years on premium for Papa J and 37. Where you old soldier. I'm a bayida la kufu na kontano. No free sunya who last year friends. GH Mason, right? What that 37 military hospital for more than 8 months. Asan wo mo ka tell me say me boa na me moa dey preventing anado and then the crop for some of fly Rawlings out of the country, and after his death Akufo-Addo want to paint the picture like as if say one Rawlings ekwa nakrana useless ones. Abraham would draw on the diplomatic courtesies. Yeah, what two kwan mo kana no musam. No, I want to show evidence. Me kasa kekeu. They know Sane Mugabe bay. Yenim di abaye. Ntiema wo su bi pa me attack no. Say the bay oba da betata.
Inti sama wuti ye manase mas ne numu nsema ne buafu pa wo chema wosanka Papa J didu fly Africa na ha ekwaja yesani amampenifo ebia penifo e Ghana ha ya ebia ye ya ije papa no ama papa no na Papa J we ya uba still na adechi adese no nsem bebe na esisi efa ni wo ne ho na ya amfa na nko ha na ye na edi9 ni we ni ade ade a manase so de ne dia betu no.
Yes, answer na mesha as ma me fa enchia kese enkoma itifo ni ahwefo nyina e come here say each and every time you be we Ghana ni petitu obi from bia Ghana can say create a course to satisfy our own conviction. Let me break it down. You share a body accident, but then you have people immediately after the accident coming out to say bullets going in movie industry phone cool. Why or when will even any death be a normal death? That is why sometimes I revert we Christians to Muslims. Me read the Quran. But I'm a Christian. Why? Because the fact that you're Christian, and don't just say you can't read Quran. And if you don't know the things in the Bible, the 5 books of Moses, many chapters, do you know it's in the Quran? Even Jesus Christ, Isa, or Quran. So Muslims believe that death is a normal thing, and death will come. But nipa always see who said death is a normal thing. Christians, because the Bible says it was appointed for man to be given birth, and I say it was appointed for man. Say baby has once, and after that, what baby has it is death, and after the death, there's judgment. This is what runs through all the scriptures from Hinduism, Buddhism, Confucianism, Muslim, Quran. Even the atheists believe say there is judgment. In the Bible, saying at the age of 73 years, 73. My mother didn't even reach that age. My father's father did not even see the father. 73 years. A man whom you did not to prison. Yebe Kuno. If you don't know, Rawlings was waiting execution in 1979 because he attempted the first coup. They caught him and they put him on state television. Not in the trial. The main reason not in the trial was to deter others. Not person who coup. Rawlings' statement back open Nigeria. No, say oh no, he doesn't know the law terms. He doesn't know economics. But what he knows is how to work on a hungry stomach. That sink into people's brain and said, no, yeah, bread. The politicians are taking us for a fool. So if you attempted the coup, we are with you. In today now, and I just a day after no, and on Nakasani soldier for no, they broke in the cells, took him, and they happened to do that coup. And they felt the June 4th revolution. You see, anything that happens in this world, there is a reason to it. Rawlings was facing death. At the end of the day, he escaped that death, from death to a hero. He's lived and lived and lived. He's governed as the longest serving head of state in Ghana. He's respected worldwide. It's a man is saying at the age of 73, the man has attained a whole lot of things. When you sika, when you investment, when you the opé, when you mana broso, and at the age of 73 years, we any issue.
Okay.
Baby Crank was saying the Ndanyanko pass and ye see. Back to the issue, Oka say, Akufado.
You blame me, Nana, for Rawlings.
Me personally, be our question. Wearing this same government in power, and I'm sitting president, remember, somewhere in 2012, if I'm correct, that was, I think, the time, 2012 more.
And assassin
is here. I think it's a Rawlings. Yeah, this is Atamils over here. Now, as an Atamils Bewuno, so now follow politics at that time. Or the kind of approach for medical treatment back. And also, a buy no sample back be. Now, second one on Banco buy a airport reporters or catch reporters and no yet. Now, or try so be jogging yadi. It didn't see it. Emma Nissanko TB Joshua. You see, when the Lord calls you, He has called you. Yankopon in Trinipa. It's no enya brochure I didn't be call. And even that statement are all can a understatement. Which evidence does he have to back his claim? We are watching Sisiama Bejana Kasa propaganda. Baby and Kienchini sin assume. Which kind of nonsense is this?
Or make a reference be.
The reference is fake. Because I didn't buy first no. You guys said media first now Omoka and they said Kuni do Ajima Rawlings and the Titi Papa Sama Pani. That's the first thing. They said the man also had coronavirus. And the wife had son. Now wife no Akula saw Jaya.
Oh, I see you.
The woman was in the house taking care and greeting people. And Rose said then Udini 72 birthday.
Yeah.
So you see, Nipana will ne won same P. To see a cry oba. We don't take time to digest into issues. We just come out with conclusions. Manasi ye enya odeng. Asema okay, do you have facts and evidence? San Ombeka and a personal doctor. No person they call Nyaho and on the Kokulebu. The man said he has not spoke to Rawlings since September.
Was I to say Kobe Ko, 37 military hospital,
the man said he has not seen Rawlings since September. That is the personal doctor. Dr. Nyahu. A best of grass Akufo-Addo knew nothing about this. Intended the Yegu Papa ni masses. Muyani Yakoka, Mose propaganda. The man is dead. Woman Nancy, why would Titi say Polo no? Do you think you can reach that 73 years? And you chrome honey war and a MPP MPs you come on to say Coco. Owo edobieni. It's an debiamekase. You can only learn or know how to live your life, but you can't tell how you die. Me amiti say ice block in a bit fit so abeshi mitrim. Say me patriarchy from our house so na me bathroom. Say accidents and I don't know how I'll die. But I can certainly know how to live my life. That was what Rawlings was telling us. That's, you see, the thing is, Maya and Shah didn't say, Yashe Rawlings. Let's look at what we had.
We are not here.
What we had. And what we could learn from him. And the impact he created. The man wants to be remembered that way. 73 is a big age. You have young people dying and also becoming Abrochena Okasi Abrocheno and yet Jake Obichi Lamte and yet then Abrochi didn't he die outside the country? Ubi Wabebu Abrochi hospital see I choked and this is first because the coronavirus case I was surging up almost hospital singing I choked into alcohol crown or fire. Think deep, use your head. Think deep and use your head. Most of your politics. You have foolish people sitting on radio making foolish pronouncements. Jimmy Fobiano Abedjan Kasa. Which kind of nonsense is this? Saying the president killed Rawlings. Not on the number free. Okokan. Yes, Okokochen. So now can be say, hey, propaganda per se. This is not views. This is bad. Do you think Rawlings can commit my KBC?
Sometimes in your master's son.
That is, you see, Ghana for both NDC and NPP. Let's put our politics aside. Rawlings is no saint. He himself knows it. He did bad things, he did worse things, and he did some good and better things. I'm a Ghana, you do BBA. If there's no light, there's no darkness. What am I saying? If there's no light, there's no darkness. If you are light in Kwan, then there will not be need for darkness. So Rawlings came in, his better things and the bad things that he did. All of those things is what has brought us far as Ghanaians. Abroche Kroano, they have some best moments and some worst moments, some best leaders and some worst leaders. But even the worst leader, he had something he did and is significant. So let's remember Rawlings in a positive way. Let's celebrate him. Let's put this politics aside. And let's focus. These accusations are airbag. So after to also a reported, please put yourself in the president's shoes. These things are going on. We all need to speak against it.
And I say, Ebusia for another way, Jalai, was a man as a master in 7 o'clock here. Was say a me need Hogana, a yashi because the science of crap toy man, the one I'm sorry, teach you more can I in your money hospitals no, near my uncle Suye was see a money my yoko. Yeah, Jerry Ho, when I for the man croya say, was see a day and penny for a fly figure and a ha, equajari. Now, blue chileno, or hoya, and car, corona base and your car, Kanipa be and for whom